Next one, Karma and Rebirth. Please, these are the hallmarks of Indian philosophical system. They are considered as twin concepts in Sanatana Dharma. See, actually there is a concept known as cycle of birth and rebirth. This is known as cycle of samsara. So one continues to spin in this one because of bad karma, and one gets liberation from this cycle by means of good karma and attains moksha. You get my point? So birth and rebirth, this cycle is samsara. One, because of bad karma or leading an adharmic life, what will happen? One continues to spin in this cycle. You get my point? Good karma will enable a person to come out of this cycle and attain moksha. Karma is nothing but human actions. Every human action has a consequence. If action is good, consequences are good. It is nothing but consequentialism. Every action has equal consequence. Therefore, Newton's third law is similar to the concept of karma. Karma is eternal and ubiquitous. Lord Shri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita mentioned 5 components of karma. Adhisthana, which is center of actions. Karta is the doer of actions. Karma is the action itself. Chesta are efforts. Daiva is. Only these things are under the control of individual. That is Adhisthana, Karta, Karma and Chesta are under the control of individual, and this is not under the control of individual. Adhisthana, Karta, Karma and Chesta leads an individual to their destiny. According to Nikam, who gave Karta, Kriya, Karitva. Good actions results in good consequences instantaneously. According to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, karma provides renunciation from the past and provides hope for the future. Next, karma is self-regulating, character-building phenomena. A good karma is inevitable for acquiring moksha. We can draw this one. So, if these are followed according to Dharma, at every stage, a person attains good karma and attains moksha. But if it is all these stages are not according to Dharma, a person continues to spin in this one because of bad karma. You getting my point?
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at Vijetha IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by NP Kishore sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.